December already. Like, December is here. The year is gone, honey. Hey, cousins. Welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I am going to be showing you all a couple of styles. One I like to call where we just went in and remixed it. So you guys have actually seen this look before. So hopefully for that one, you can actually get some style inspiration. So for all my cousins who are new here on this channel, honey, I am Shauna T. And over here, baby, we talk all things lifestyle, plus size, fashion, Jesus, and everything in between. So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. So cousins, this video is actually sponsored by a Black-owned, woman-owned brand, and that is Zenora Ave Boutique, y'all. So I have talked to Shanovia, who is the owner, and all of the things. So make sure that you guys go and actually shop on her website. She does have some cute pieces as well. And that is going to be the very first piece that I show you in this video, honey. So y'all, this green dress right here is everything. The best part that I like about this dress, it's got stretch. Baby, hold on, let me go get the dress so y'all can see the stretch in this dress. All right, so I have the dress, and y'all, I got this dress actually in a 3X, but I just wanted to show y'all the stretch in the dress. Like, it is crazy stretch in this dress, y'all. And this dress comes on her site. It's available in 2 different colors. This green here that I have, which is more of like a Christmas green, hunter green color. Not quite for sure how it's coming off on the camera, but it is actually a green dress. And then she also has a burgundy one on her site as well. So that's the best thing I love about this dress. It's the stretch. I mean, it's unmatched in my opinion. Y'all know we love us some good stretch. Also, it's a maxi dress, y'all. Hey, honey. So for all my cousins, honey, that like stuff that come past they knee, this is a perfect dress, and also it's good quality as well, y'all. So this dress, I do recommend 10 out of 10 that you go over to Zenora Ave Boutique, pick up this dress, shop around, and look around her site to see if there is something that you guys may want to go in and pick up. And I also, just a quick style tip, just because these are solid color dresses, you can go in and match them with so many different things, from black to the golds to the greens, even adding colors or even doing a monochromatic look with the dress as well, y'all. So go over, look at Zenora Ave Boutique and see if you like things. She does carry from a size medium all the way up to a size 3X. And I don't think I told y'all, but in this dress, y'all, I did get a 3X in this dress, okay? Quick intermission, cousin. So you are an entrepreneur, you're a creator, and you like, child, how am I going to figure out this thing with social media? How am I going to figure out this thing with content creation? And you probably trying to even figure out, child, and I'm even trying to give me an extra coin as well. Well, guess what, cousins? I have created a whole new YouTube channel just for you. And I'm going to be able to go in and share with you on how to be able to do those exact things, how to increase your income, how to increase your impact, and also even on how to grow your social media following. So honey, listen, you can scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can click the link down in the description box and go over there, honey, and subscribe to that YouTube channel, okay? Now, honey, let's go ahead and get back to the good stuff. This second look, honey, I call this look, it is definitely a little risque. Okay, it is a little risque. Now, y'all, the skirt that I have with this, it actually came from Target. You guys may have saw the other video that I did where I actually showed the full 2-piece with the skirt and also the blazer. So what I did was I just was like, let me just kind of mix and match and play around with this look. Now, the sweater, y'all, I purchased the sweater sometime back. It actually came from Target too. And I was like, let's do a little schoolgirl look with this particular sweater. Now, I took a blue and white striped shirt and went in and put it on with this just to add a little extraness to this look, honey. Now, also my shoes, y'all, the shoes came from Amazon. Now, I did get a size 13 off in these shoes. So for all my Bigfoot baddies out there, honey, you guys can go and pick these up from Amazon too. Now, I also want to say that with the shoes, Amazon does have a number of other colors available in this type of loafer style shoe. And I will say that this shoe is actually comfortable, okay? It's comfortable. You know how sometimes when you wear loafers or whatever, it make your pinky toe hurt, or you know, it may be too tight or something like that. Not with this particular shoe. So I give the shoe as well a 10 out of 10. So then I just went in, I even went in and changed up my hair with this particular look as well, y'all, and put on the black wig, honey. Black wig, I call her Keisha, is my long black wig, okay? And I just put in some crimps with it just to give it just an overall different look versus the blonde that I typically wear all of the time. And then also I threw in my glasses. These are my fake little glasses that I picked up from Amazon as well. So with this look, I just wanted to have fun with this particular look, honey. So this is really for all my cousins, honey. If y'all want to be fast and show the top part of your thigh, you can do that with this look. Now, you can also go in, of course, and pair this with tights as well. You can, if you say, cousin, you know what, I dig the whole look, but I need to go in and put me on some tights, you definitely can go in and put you on some tights, or even go in and put you on maybe a thigh boot or just a regular knee boot to be able to go with this look. But this look here, honey, I just, you know, it's just fun. You can just have fun with it and be yourself. That's the best way that I could put it, right? So y'all let me know down in the comments, cousin, is this something that you would rock with this particular look? Okay, so this next look is another look that I actually remixed for the fall or whatever season we in here in Texas. Sometimes it's cool, sometimes it be doing whatever it's doing, okay? So I originally purchased this jumpsuit like in the springish, summerish time from Target. So I was like, you know what? I want to wear my jumpsuit again. So I went and I actually purchased this turtleneck. It came from Amazon. And y'all, when I say this turtleneck is super, super stretchy, it's super stretchy. And also there are an array of different colors of this turtleneck that's available. And they also go up to a size 5X on Amazon with this particular turtleneck. They also have two different fits. For those of you who like more of a tighter fit, that's the one that I actually have. And they even also have one that's available that's more of a looser fit. So I thought that was a good little tidbit to be able to go in and share with you guys about this turtleneck. So I just decided to keep it cute. We're just going to keep it cute with this particular jumpsuit. And I also went in and put on my sneakers, baby, to keep it cute and casual, because y'all know we in our comfortable girl era, okay? And then, of course, I went in and paired this with the cream bag that you all see with this particular look. So y'all definitely have to let me know if this is some style inspiration for you. You may even have this same jumpsuit, or you may have a jumpsuit that's similar that is actually sleeveless that you can go in and throw on either a long sleeve shirt or either a turtleneck, whichever one you feel most comfortable with wearing, y'all, okay? So I was like, let me just kind of give my cousins a little style inspiration as we're going off into the Christmas and New Year's holiday season, because listen, not everybody's walking around in 6-inch heels, okay? Not everybody's walking around in 6-inch heels, but just for some of those kickbacks, I think people still say kickbacks, I have no idea, but just for some of those kickbacks that you can go to or you're going to or whatever, and you can have something a little bit more casual and also comfortable that you can wear, okay, cousins? So baby, listen, I know this was a short video today than it normally is, but it's okay, right? It is okay as far as this being a short video. So cousins, as I tell you guys always, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, and make sure that you do what? Baby, make sure that you own it, okay? So everything that I talked about in this video, the items that are still available, you can scan the QR code right here on the screen to be able to go in and actually shop these looks, or you can click the link down in the description box for all of the items that are still available, honey, and go and shop. Shop your heart away. Tell somebody, get this for me. Get this from me. I'm pretty sure that the majority of these items are on sale because it's the holiday season, and y'all just know stuff be on sale, okay? Because make sure that you are following me on Instagram and the TikTok at Style with Shauna T, honey. And if you are an entrepreneur or a creator and you are trying to figure this social media thing out, baby, go on and go over there to the other YouTube channel and subscribe to that YouTube channel as well. Okay, cousins? All right, honey, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.